everyone, welcome to our podcast. My name is Sergio Méndez. Today we are going to talk about a brand that I'm sure we all know, IKEA. Let's explore how this furniture giant achieves a difficult balance between offering affordable products, scaling its model globally, and being sustainable. With me are Santiago, Scarlet, Sofia, and Rafael, who will help us understand this challenge and opportunities. Welcome.
Welcome. Hello, Sergio, Santi, Rafael, Sofia.
Hello.
How are you today?
Hi guys.
Okay. First of all, Santiago, what can you tell us about IKEA and what does it represent?
Of course, Sergio. IKEA is a Swedish company founded in 1988 by Einar Campo. It is dedicated to the retail sale of furniture and household items. What makes it unique and its functional, modern, and accessible design. Its philosophy is democratic design to create good quality products at low prices so that many people can enjoy them. In addition to this, your furniture comes in a flat packs to facilitate transportation and assembly by the customer, which helps reduce the cost.
Yes, and that self-service model also allows them to expand into more than 60 countries with hundreds of stores. They have store formats adapted to each market and an efficient global supply chain, which make it possible to sell the same products in Colombia, China, or Germany while maintaining the same quality and price.
Perfect. And so what does affordability mean for IKEA?
Okay, affordability at IKEA means offering functional and well-designed products at low prices to reach the largest number of people. To achieve this, they use strategies such as selling enough fortini, which saves up transportation and labor, fat packing to optimize space at highly efficient logistics process. And all this enable them to mass produce and keep costs down.
Yeah, that's exactly it. But it's not just that, Sofia. Actually, keeping low prices in so many countries with different transport costs, taxes, and inflation is a really big challenge. That's why IKEA actually combines the matters of, standardized production with strict quality conditions. And this is just to control and avoid sacrificing the customer's experience, even if the price is low.
Okay. Let's talk about scalability. Scarlett, how does IKEA grow globally without losing efficiency?
IKEA scales its model thanks to a super organized logistic chain with strategic distribution centers in several countries. They also use modular design to facilitate mass production and distribution. They adapt their products and marketing to local preference and use franchises and strategic alliance to enter new markets. Thus, they maintaining control without losing flexibility.
Yes, this scale also has an environmental impact because the greater the volume, more transport and more gas emission. Maintaining this balance is a major challenge for IKEA.
Okay, that's good. Rafael, what progress has IKEA made in sustainability to meet this challenge?
Well, Sergio, when we talk about the challenges that IKEA has come across, there are too many to number them out. Because IKEA is committed to, the circular design, which means they want to produce these kind of products that have, a long life and can be recycled or reconditioned so that they can be used again. For example, they have this kind of, I don't really remember, it was kind of like, this, um, when you have like used furniture, you can throw it back to IKEA and they will buy it back and produce this thing, which is a program of waste reduction. Which actually means they get the furniture, they repair it, and then they sell it back as new IKEA furniture. And they also use renewable and recycled materials such as FCS certified wood and recycled plastics. They're committed to this kind of change because they need and they will become, climate friendly by 2030. That's like the goal they have in mind, which will help by reducing emissions across their value chain. So in fact, it's just that in their factories and logistics center, they use 100% renewable energy and they re-implement electric fleets for, delivery.
They have also removed single-use practice from packing and designing products that are easy to repair and upgrade to last longer. Thus, they integrate sustainability to how the chain from manufacturing to logistics and consumption.
Okay, and now the big question is what solutions do you propose for IKEA to really balance affordability, scalability, and sustainability?
Okay, Sergio. I think a key solution is the continuous redesign of products to make them more sustainable without raising costs. For example, use fewer materials or recycled materials that are equally functional and inexpensive. This reduce the impact and keeps the price low.
I agree with you. I also think that it's vital to involve the consumer more in the process. Encourage repair, reuse, and return products. So IKEA can close to the life cycle and reduce the need to produce more.
Yeah, well, I think that this will add to IKEA continuing to invest in renewable energy and electrical logistics so that, the environmental footprint does not grow with expansion. In addition, partnership with local suppliers can help actually reduce the costs and carbon emissions.
And finally, I think it's important for IKEA to work on educating to customer so that they value durability and sustainability over immediate price. This can change perception about affordability and create a more responsible marketplace.
Very good proposals. And finally, to close, what final doubts do you have?
IKEA shows that sustainability can be affordable, but constant commitment is needed to maintain the balance.
I think the It is a real example of how to scale without losing purpose.
The future is about resigning not only products, but the way we consume.
And if you really think about it, if IKEA integrates these pillars well, I don't know, it can transform the industry for the better, actually.
Thank you all for this great talk. And this is the final of the podcast. And they have a very good topic, IKEA. And thanks to you for listening. Until next time, have a good day.
Thank you for
Thank you,
the
Sam.
Thank you.
invitation in this
Thank you guys
podcast.
very much.